Today, we are taking a closer look at the graph paper composition notebook sized at 8.5 by 11 inches with 100 sheets of quad-ruled paper. This is not a flashy product, but it is one of those essential tools that many people use every day. Before I start, I should mention that for technical reasons, I cannot show you a physical unboxing or the notebook itself on camera. Instead, this will be a screen recording walkthrough with my commentary where I share my impressions, practical notes, and honest thoughts about the notebook.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The first thing that stands out with this model is its size. At 8.5 by 11 inches, it offers a full letter-size sheet, which is especially useful for students, engineers, architects, or anyone who needs plenty of writing space. The quad-ruled format, also called graph ruling, provides a consistent grid that is excellent for math problems, diagrams, technical sketches, or even bullet journaling if you prefer structure. The 100 sheets, giving you 200 pages to work with, make it a durable choice for a semester of school or a long project. The paper quality is another factor worth considering. While this notebook is functional and affordable, the paper is not the thickest. If you are using standard pencils or ballpoint pens, it performs well, but heavier inks and markers may show ghosting or bleed through. This is something to keep in mind if you like bold pens or fountain pens. The ruling itself is sharp and clear, making it easy to keep notes neat. Binding is done in a composition notebook style, meaning it has a sturdy cardboard cover and a sewn spine rather than a spiral. This is a benefit if you want a durable, compact book that holds together after being tossed into a backpack repeatedly. On the other hand, it doesn't lie completely flat, which may be inconvenient for some types of work. If you are constantly flipping back and forth, you may notice some stiffness, but over time, the spine does loosen a little. Another point that adds to the usability is the large page count compared to slimmer graph paper pads. Instead of running out after just a few days of notes, this notebook lasts much longer, making it more cost-effective. For students in math-heavy subjects, science labs, or courses like physics, this can be a real advantage. It is also useful for design or project planning where consistent layout matters. You will find a link to buy this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. From my personal use, I found the notebook reliable for daily writing and problem solving. The surface of the paper is smooth, making pencils glide easily without much smudging. Erasing is clean for the most part, although aggressive erasing can thin out the sheet. For sketchers or engineers, this means you can adjust drawings without ruining the page, as long as you use moderate pressure. One downside is the lack of perforation. If you plan on tearing out pages, this is not the best option. The sewn binding keeps everything intact, but once a page is removed, it can leave fragments behind and weaken the notebook. If you like handing in assignments on loose sheets, you might prefer a spiral notebook instead. However, for keeping all notes in one place, the composition binding is a strength rather than a weakness. Durability of the cover is fair. It protects the pages from bending, but with heavy use, the corners may wear down. It is not a premium hardcover, but considering the price point, the durability is more than acceptable. It holds up to daily transport in a bag, and the overall structure remains intact even after significant handling. For creative uses, the quad-ruled format can also serve as a layout guide for graphic design sketches, floor plan drafts, or even pixel art. It provides a framework that helps keep proportions consistent. This versatility makes the notebook not just a student supply, but a handy tool for professionals or hobbyists who prefer analog drafting. In summary, the graph paper composition notebook 8.5 by 11 with 100 sheets is a reliable, budget-friendly option for anyone who needs structured writing space. It has strengths in size, page count, and sturdiness, while its limitations include paper thickness and the non-perforated binding. Whether you're a student, engineer, or creative thinker, it gets the job done without unnecessary extras. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so you won't miss upcoming reviews.